Good morning, everyone. We are Group 17, and today we will be presenting our learnings on project consulting and proposal writing using A.T. Kearney's supply chain consulting approach as a reference. Our focus is on understanding how consulting firms structure proposals to solve complex business problems and deliver measurable value. Today's presentations covers three key areas. First, what project consulting actually means. Second, why proposal writing is critical in consulting engagements. And third, how firms like A.T. Kearney structure supply chain proposals using a clear, phase-based approach. So, what is project consulting? Project consulting is a time-bound and outcome-driven engagement where consultants work with clients to solve a clearly defined business problem. It involves three core elements: diagnosing the problem using data and analysis, designing practical solutions aligned with business goals, and supporting implementation to ensure results are actually achieved. Common areas include strategy, operations optimization, supply chain redesign, and digital transformation. So, why proposal writing matters? A proposal is not just a formality, it sets the foundation for the entire project. A strong proposal clearly defines the problem and the objectives, outlines the scope and deliverables, and explains the methodology that will be used. Most importantly, it highlights the business values and ROI, which helps build client trust and prevents misalignment during execution.
Talking about the standard consulting proposal structure, top consulting firms follow a structured and consistent proposal format. This typically includes an executive summary, client context, problem statement, and objectives, approach and methodology, deliverables and timelines, and finally pricing and governance. This structure ensures clarity, alignment, and accountability from day one. At Kearney Supply Chain Thinking. A.T. Kearney views the supply chain as a strategic asset, not just an operational function. Their approach focuses on an end-to-end supply chain view, data-driven diagnostics, and clear value creation levers such as cost reduction, working capital improvement, and service optimization. They also emphasize building resilient supply chain that can handle disruptions. Structure of a supply chain consulting proposal. A.T. Kearney structure supply chain projects use a four-phase approach. It begins with diagnostics and benchmarking, followed by opportunity identification, where value levers are quantified. Next is solution design and roadmap creation, and finally implementation support, where KPIs, dashboards, and governance mechanisms are set up to track results. To conclude, strong proposals are critical because they win trust and set clear expectations. Consulting is most effective when the problem is well defined from the start. A.T. Kearney's approach stands out for its analytical rigor and focus on measurable value. And finally, a well structured proposal directly leads to smoother execution and better outcomes. Thank you.